I've been wanting this floor easel for a long time, so I bought one the other day at Hobby Lobby. It was in a box, and I had to assemble it. Oh, me. I like assembling artwork, but not art easels. When I opened the box, all I could find was this one instruction sheet. I chose this easel because it has a solid base. My easels lately have been wobbly, very wobbly, so I hope this solves my problem. Putting this easel together was a bit of a challenge. I had it turned this way and that way, and I think I put it together about 5 or 6 times before I figured out the correct way. I know. If all else fails, read the instructions. This one sheet is all I got. Look at it. I couldn't read it, hardly. The pictures were too small. You couldn't tell if one board was supposed to be this way or that way. Oh, I had to take this thing apart I don't know how many times. I know I put the screw in and then I change it. Put this screw in and turn the board and undo it. Oh. I did get on YouTube finally and look up how to put a floor easel together. Still wasn't much help. Well, it took me about an hour and a half to put this thing together. At first, I thought it was only going to be about 30 minutes. I guess you have to be a little smarter than what you're putting together. Putting the tray on took me a little time. I had to learn that you had to slide it up from the bottom on the main part. There was a little groove in there. It took me a while to figure out that this piece slides in like that. You put the screw, see that's the thing that determines the slant of your easel. And then you put that, you screw that over here. So, I don't know if you can see that or not. After a lot of scratching my head, taking screws out, turning things over, re-screwing them, I think I got it where it won't fall apart. Let's cross our fingers. I'm really happy about my new easel. I think it's going to work for me. I think it'll be sturdy enough to where I'm not going to be afraid that my canvas will fall off and be damaged. So I'm tickled. Yay! If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll know when my next video is uploaded. Enjoy more.